What if I told you there are engines out there so reliable that they can outlast the car itself? Engines that keep running strong past 500,000 miles, and some even hitting the legendary million-mile mark. While most vehicles break down with age, these Japanese powerhouses have been built to survive decades of abuse, proving their durability on the streets, the track, and even in the harshest conditions. From high-revving VTEC screamers to turbocharged monsters and rock-solid workhorses, these engines have earned a reputation for being nearly indestructible. Whether you're a car enthusiast dreaming of your next project build, or just someone looking for a ride that won't leave you stranded, this list is for you. Today, we're counting down 10 legendary Japanese engines that last forever. You might be surprised which ones made the cut. So, stick around to see if your favorite is on the list. Toyota 2 JZ GTE, the legendary Supra powerhouse. If there's one engine that defines reliability and performance in the car world, it's the Toyota 2 JZ GTE. This 3.0-liter inline-six twin-turbo beast, found in the legendary Toyota Supra Mk4, has built a reputation for being practically indestructible. When Toyota engineered the 2 JZ in the 1990s, they weren't just making an engine, they were building a masterpiece. The secret? Over-engineering. The 2 JZ GTE features a cast-iron block, which makes it incredibly strong, capable of handling insane amounts of power without breaking a sweat. Even in stock form, it produces 276 horsepower, but with just a few mods, it can easily push over 1,000 horsepower without sacrificing reliability. That's why it's the go-to choice for tuners, drifters, and drag racers worldwide. But here's what really makes the 2 JZ a million-mile engine. It's built to last. Toyota didn't cut corners with weak internals or fragile components. Its forged steel crankshaft and durable pistons allow it to withstand extreme boost pressure, making it one of the toughest engines ever produced. With proper maintenance, regular oil changes, quality fuel, and cooling care, this engine can keep running strong for decades. Honda K-Series, VTEC kicks in for a lifetime. If you're a Honda fan, you already know the K-Series is one of the greatest engines Honda has ever built. Found in cars like the Civic Type R, RSX, and Accord, this high-revving, fuel-efficient, and insanely durable engine has proven itself as a powerhouse that just won't quit. Whether it's tearing up the track or cruising daily for hundreds of thousands of miles, the Honda K-Series is an engine built to last. So what makes it so reliable? First, Honda's legendary engineering. The all-aluminum block and DOHC VTEC system allow for both high performance and fuel efficiency, making it one of the best balanced engines ever. The forged steel crankshaft, strong pistons, and advanced oiling system keep everything running smoothly, even when revved to the red line repeatedly. Some owners have reported hitting 500,000 miles with minimal issues, just regular maintenance and good driving habits. But here's where it gets even better. The K-Series is also an absolute tuning monster. In stock form, it produces anywhere from 160 to over 300 horsepower, depending on the model. But with a few bolt-ons and a tune, it can easily hit 400+ horsepower naturally aspirated, and over 1,000 horsepower with forced induction. And the best part? It still holds together, proving why Honda's bulletproof reputation is well-earned. From street racers to daily drivers, the Honda K-Series is a true million-mile club contender. With its insane durability, legendary VTEC performance, and endless aftermarket support, this is one engine that refuses to die. Whether you're swapping it into a project car or keeping it stock, VTEC kicks in for a lifetime. Toyota 1 UZFE, bulletproof Lexus V8. The Toyota 1 UZFE isn't just another V8. It's a masterpiece of engineering that has stood the test of time. Introduced in the late 1980s, this 4.0-liter DOHC 5.8 was Toyota's first attempt at a high-performance, luxury-grade engine, and they absolutely nailed it. Found in vehicles like the Lexus LS400, SC400, and Toyota Crown, the 1UZ was built to offer seamless power, whisper-quiet refinement, and incredible durability, qualities that made it a favorite among enthusiasts and tuners alike. So, what makes this engine so bulletproof? First, Toyota over-engineered it with an all-aluminum block, reducing weight while maintaining strength. Then, they added a forged steel crankshaft, 6-bolt main caps, and oil-sprayed pistons, ensuring it could handle extreme stress and high revs without breaking a sweat. The quad-cam, 32-valve design provided both efficiency and high-end power, making it not just strong, but also smooth and responsive. Stock, the 1UZ makes between 250 and 300 horsepower, depending on the version, but the real magic happens when tuners get their hands on it. Thanks to its robust internals, this engine can take forced induction like a champ. With a supercharger or turbo setup, it's common to see 600-plus horsepower on stock internals, and with a few upgrades, some builds have pushed over 1,000 horsepower while maintaining reliability. That's why it's a go-to engine swap choice for everything from drift cars to off-road rigs. But perhaps the most impressive thing about the 1UZ is its longevity. Many of these engines have reached 500,000 plus miles with routine maintenance, and some even hit the million-mile club. That's almost unheard of for a high-performance V8. Honda B-Series, rev-happy and reliable. The Honda B-Series is the definition of high-revving reliability. Found in iconic cars like the Civic Si, Integra GSR, and Type R. This 1.6 to 2.0-liter DOHC VTEC engine was built for performance, but also for longevity. Enthusiasts love it because it can scream past 8,000 RPM, while still lasting hundreds of thousands of miles with basic maintenance. Honda engineered the B-Series with a cast-iron block and a lightweight aluminum head, giving it the perfect balance of strength and efficiency. Stock power ranges from 130 to 200 plus horsepower. But these engines love to be modified. With bolt-ons and tuning, the B-Series can make 250 plus horsepower naturally aspirated, and with forced induction, 500 plus horsepower is easy to achieve. But here's what really makes it special: its durability. Many B-Series engines have hit 300,000 plus miles without major issues. With proper oil changes and care, it just keeps going. Whether you're racing, daily driving, or swapping it into a project car, the Honda B-Series proves that VTEC doesn't just kick in, it stays in for life. Toyota 3S GTE, turbocharged durability. The Toyota 3S GTE is proof that turbocharged engines can be just as reliable as naturally aspirated ones, if they're built right. Found in legendary cars like the Toyota Celica GT4, MR2 Turbo, and Caldina GTT, this 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 was designed for performance and durability. It became a rally icon, powering Toyota's WRC winning machines, and on the streets, it gained a reputation for being nearly indestructible. What makes the 3S GTE so strong? It features a cast-iron block, a forged steel crankshaft, and oil-cooled pistons, making it built to handle boost from the factory. Depending on the generation, it produces between 182 to 260 horsepower. But here's the kicker: with simple mods, it can easily push 400 plus horsepower while staying reliable. Even with its performance, the 3S GTE is known to last well beyond 300,000 miles when properly maintained. Toyota engineered this engine to take a beating, and it does, whether it's on the track, the streets, or even off-road rally stages. If you want a turbocharged engine that refuses to quit, the 3S GTE is a true legend. Mitsubishi 4G63, rally-proven longevity. If there's one engine that defines Mitsubishi's rally dominance, It's the 4G63, found in the Lancer Evolution i-9, and the Eclipse GSX. This 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 is legendary for both its performance and durability. Whether it's dominating WRC rally stages or tearing up the streets, the 4G63 has proven to be nearly indestructible. What makes it so reliable? A cast-iron block, forged steel crankshaft, and oil-cooled pistons, all built to handle extreme boost from the factory. Depending on the model, stock power ranges from 190 to over 280 horsepower, but with just a few upgrades, this engine can easily push 500+ horsepower while staying rock solid. Some heavily built versions even hit 1,000 horsepower, and they're still known for lasting hundreds of thousands of miles. But here's what really sets the 4G63 apart: its million-mile potential. Many owners have reported 300,000+ miles with proper maintenance, and even with hard driving, this engine refuses to quit. Whether you're into rally racing, street builds, or just want an engine that lasts, the Mitsubishi 4G63 is a true powerhouse that stands the test of time. Subaru EJ25, boxer engine that keeps punching. The Subaru EJ25 is one of the most well-known boxer engines ever made, powering everything from the WR XSTI to the Outback and Forester. This 2.5-liter flat-4 is famous for its low center of gravity, strong torque, and all-weather durability, making it a favorite among rally enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. But what makes the EJ25 so tough? Its horizontally opposed design improves balance and stability, while Subaru's turbocharged versions deliver impressive power, ranging from 165 to over 300 horsepower, depending on the model. With proper maintenance, many EJ25s last 250,000+ miles, proving that Subaru built this engine to handle tough conditions. Of course, the EJ25 isn't perfect. It's known for head gasket issues if not maintained properly. But with routine oil changes, cooling system care, and smart tuning, this engine keeps punching well past the competition. Whether it's tearing up snowy backroads or carving through mountain passes, the Subaru EJ25 is a boxer that refuses to back down. Nissan RB26, DETT, Skyline's million-mile beast, the Nissan RB26 DETT is the heart and soul of the legendary R32, R33, and R34 Skyline GTRs, and it has earned a reputation as one of the toughest engines ever built. This 2.6-liter twin-turbo inline-6 was designed for racing, but its bulletproof construction has made it a favorite among tuners and collectors alike. If there's one thing these legendary engines prove, it's that durability and performance can go hand in hand. From high-revving VTECs to turbocharged beasts, these power plants have stood the test of time, earning their place in automotive history. But which one is your favorite? Do you own one of these engines, or is there another reliable powerhouse that deserves a mention? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more epic car content. We've got plenty more coming your way, so stick around and check out these other videos on the screen. You won't want to miss them. Thanks for watching.